In this video, we will have a look how to make the text box mandatory. So for example, right now, if I click add to cart, it will just add to cart. But if I want to receive a personalization, then this is not so great. So what we can do, let us first of all go to our app dashboard. I will go to the field which I want to make required. In this case, this one, the test field. I will click edit. I will scroll all the way down until I will read here, make the text field required. So now we can turn this option on, and we will also see there is now an error message. That means that this message will be shown if someone will try to click the button add to cart. So you can write whatever you like to write here. For example, yes, you can leave the default, or you will write whatever you like. Please enter the text before. Yes, for example, like that. We will hit the save button. We will see successfully saved. We will go back to the storefront. We'll refresh the page. And now we will see there is also this small star. That means now if I will click add to cart, then my error message is shown. Please enter a text before. I can now enter something, and if I will now click add to cart, it will put my item to cart. And yes, that's how you can make the text box required.